Here we have another garden tap service where I'm only going to replace the washer and the O-ring. For this job I'm not replacing the tap because it's a rental property and the owner only wants the bare minimum done. I've gotten a lot of comments in the last videos on how the pipework's installed on the outside wall and how it's going to freeze over in winter. So lucky for me I don't live in North America or Europe, but I live in the subtropics of Australia. And we're lucky if it gets below 5 degrees in the middle of winter. Anyway, with this job, all I'm going to do is replace the jumper valve and the O-ring, give the O-ring a bit of a lube, throw it all back together, turn the water back on and give it a test. Would you believe that this is only one of a handful of plumbing jobs in Australia that anyone's allowed to do?